2026 is the year of smart automation and real human connection. Here are 5 AI-powered marketing moves to dominate the year. Tip 1. Predict before you post. AI isn't just analyzing anymore, it's predicting. Know what you trend before it trends and plan your content accordingly. Tip 2. Personalize everything. From email to ads, hyper-personalization wins. AI now writes, designs, and delivers unique content for every audience segment. Tip 3. Blend reality and storytelling. People crave real stories, but love smart visuals. Use AI video tools to merge authenticity with cinematic storytelling. Tip 4. Automate conversations, not connections. Your AI CRM handles the speed, you handle the smile. That's how you turn your leads into loyal fans. Tip 5. Go omni-platform with smart distribution. Don't post once, distribute smartly. AI can resize, caption, and post everywhere with a single click. 2026 belongs to the bold. Let Linkbuffer Studios supercharge your marketing with creativity, AI, and strategy under one roof. Follow us for more 2026 ready ideas.